How to empty spam email folder in Gmail. So if you're using Gmail as your primary email service provider and you have some messages in your spam folder running to hundreds and now you want to empty the spam folder completely, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to empty spam folder in Gmail, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Gmail application on your phone. Once opened, click on the menu icon at the top left. On the menu page, you want to scroll down the page. Just keep scrolling until you get to spam. Then click on it. Then here you have access to all your spam email. So this could run to hundreds of them. And now, to empty or delete the spam email at once, all you just need to do is come to where you see empty spam now. Then you should see spam. Items that have been in spam for more than 30 days will be deleted automatically. Now, to empty the entire spam once, just click on empty spam now. Then you should see what that says you're about to permanently delete all items. Do you want to continue? Then go ahead and click on OK. Once you do, you should see empty spam. Just hang on. Then you should see afterward nothing in spam. That shows you've successfully deleted all your spam folder or spam email on your Gmail account. You see that? So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.